screen, Stacy. Okay, so we're going to jump into our tens, our place value. Mayrin, you want to give me a number?
Thousand 10.
What was that? 1,000?
10.
1,010? Okay, just want to make sure I understood. 1,010. 1,010. Good morning, Jonah. 1,010. There we go.
Morning.
Good morning. 1,010. Good morning, Michelle. Your number is 1,010. So 1,000. So you have your 1,000 brick. Good job. Nicely done. 1,000. There's 0 in the hundreds. 1 in the tens. So 1,010. So 1,000 plus 0 plus 10 plus 0. 1,010. I feel like everybody's having technical issues today. Okay. Let's try one more. So we have a lot to get to number-wise. I think we'll have fun with our numbers today. Okay. Our next number is going to be 4,251. 4,251. 4,251. Jonah, how many thousands do we have?
4,000.
We have 4. We have 4,000s. Mayrin, how many hundreds do we have? Oops. Oops.
You have 200s.
We have 200s. Let me try to make them a little different so they look a little different. There we go. 200s. Rochelle, how many tens do we have?
We have 6 tens.
6 or 5? Sorry, that looks like I got sloppy. The importance of writing your numbers.
5.
5. Good job, Rochelle. My fault. You're not yours. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Good job. We have 5. And then we have ones cubed. So we have 4,000. My numbers today are sloppy. Good job. Good job, guys. 251. Good job. Okay, we're going to move on today and we're going to play with a lot of numbers today. So this is what it's going to look like. It's very similar to what we did yesterday, but we have to find the missing number. So to find that, we have to start with the numbers that we have. So 12 minus 1 is what? Go for it, Marion.
I just want to say, I got problems that are backwards right back. I was like, hold on, it's not forwards, it must be backwards.
Mm-hmm.
They're trying to trick you.
They're trying to trick you. Yeah. So you have to find this number. So to find this number, you have to find this side first. So what's 12 minus 1, Marion?
12 minus 1.
What is that?
11.
11. So when you think of this side, now you can have that. Now you can figure out this side. So it'd be blank plus 8 equals 11. Blank plus 8 equals 11. So you can count up to 11. So put 8 in your head. 9, 10, 11. How many do you have?
I'm pretty sure it's 1 minus 12 equals 11 equals 8.
Yep, it's another equation. So you're seeing this is one equation and this
Plus
is the other.
3.
Plus 3, right. So you have to
And
see them
this
as
is-
2 separate equations. So like kind of like we talked about yesterday, you want you to kind of see it as like 2 separate equations and they have to equal. Good job, Jonah. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so now we have to find the number over here, but we had to do that. We have to find out this side first. So 5 plus 10 is what?
I know.
Go for it.
15. Because 10, same for 10 plus 5 because it's in the tens, then you just add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Good job, Marion. Yep. So if you put this in your 10s and 1s and you look, then you drop the 5 down, you drop the 1 down, it becomes 15. So 15 on this side. Oops, my sloppy writing today. 15 on this side. Then now you're going to take this and figure out this side. What's 20 minus blank equals 15? So think of it as 20 minus blank equals 15.
I'm pretty sure it's not minus 10, that would be 10.
Mm-hmm. Well, if it's minus 10, it would be 10. What would make it 15?
Maybe minus 5, because 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Yeah, because 10, if you put it 10 plus 10 is going to equal 20. But if you, what's 5 more than 10? 15. Yep. Yep, you are correct. Good job, Jonah. We have a lot of technical issues today. You ready? Let's go on to the next one. Here we go. 16 minus 6. We have to figure out this side first. So if you think of it this way, I think, Marion, you're going to get this pretty quickly. So hang on.
Yeah.
So 16 minus 6 is what, Jonah? What's 16 minus 6? Let's look in the ones. What's 6 minus 6?
Wait, are you talking to me?
Yes.
6 minus 6.
Yes.
Oh, it's 10.
No, think about it. Hang on. 6 minus 6.
6 minus 6.
Yeah.
It could be 10 or 9.
No, think about what I'm saying. So if you have 6 cookies, Jonah, and you eat 6 cookies, how many cookies do you have left?
Is there 9? 9?
If you have 6 cookies, can you have 9?
And you have to count down?
Mm-hmm. You have the,
Well, I had to count down, yeah.
yeah, you have to count down. So think about 6. If you have 6 cookies and you eat all the cookies, how many cookies do you have left? Watch, Jonah. Look, if we have 6 cookies, right? These are going to be our cookies.
I love cookies.
I know. So if you have 6 cookies and you eat all of them, how many are you going to have left?
But 10.
How are you going to have 10? Where are you going to get 10 from?
We're gonna get 10 from wherever we be, and then we make the thing up wherever you make it like
Well, we're subtracting though, Jonah. Look,
oh yeah, I know.
subtracting. 6 minus 6 you have is what?
6 minus 6, it needs to be 0.
It needs to be 0, right? Yep, because if you have 6 cookies and you eat 6 cookies, you have nothing left, right? Yeah. Okay, so 6 minus 6 is 0. So you have, then you drop the 1 over here. So that becomes 10 on this side. Now you're going to look at this side over here. Okay. 8 plus blank equals 10.
Equals 10.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So 8. I know what the letter, the missing number.
What is the missing number? It's 2. Because you have 8 in your head and you have to add 2 more to get to 10. Good job. Rochelle and Mayrin are happy for you. They're excited. Good job, Jonah. Okay, ready? Let's do another one. 15 minus 2.
15 minus 2?
Yeah, look. So if we
15
do
minus 2 is 130.
130, what do you mean?
No, I'm talking about like a 1 and a 3.
Oh, a 1 and a 3. Okay, I was like 130. Where'd you get 130 from? I was confused a minute, Jonah. Okay, so if you take 15 minus 2, and now you have 13 over here, so that's
So
13.
you thought I said 113?
Yeah. I was like, whoa, that's a big number, Jonah.
Oh, that's giant. You can't subtract. I can tell you what's the giant young number.
Look it. So we have 3 plus blank equals 13. Rochelle, how do we get to 13? How many would it take to get to 13? If we put it in our 10s and 1s, Rochelle, look. If we put it in our 10s and 1s, let's put it here so we can see it, right? So we have 3. We need to get from 13. What's 3 minus 3?
It's 0.
0. And then we drop the 1. What is it going to be?
Four.
So 3 plus 4 is going to equal 13.
No.
No. So if we do 13, because look, we need 3 plus blank is 13. What do we know? We know 13 minus 3 equals what? Look down here. We did it on here. What's 3 minus 3?
0.
0. So we have a 0 here.
Mm-hmm.
You have,
So it's 10?
it's 10. You're right. So 3 plus 10 equals 13. These ones are confusing because of the fact that they put them in this way. Because let's be honest, Rochelle, if you had this one, let's look at this. If we had 3 plus 10 equals blank. And if we had 15 minus 2 equals blank, it looks easier when you look at it, right? That just looks easier. At least it does for my brain. So this is why sometimes this can be confusing. That's what we're going to do. We'll do it again. Okay, Rochelle? Let's try this one. These are big numbers. Let's look at, so we have to figure out 25. Good job, Mayrin. Nicely done. 25 minus 2. Now look, we're going to break it down like we did before. 10s and 1s, right? 25 minus 2. Let's look at our 10s, or 1s, sorry. What's 5 minus 2, Rochelle?
5?
5 minus 2.
Oh, it is
5 minus 2. 5 take away 2.
5 equals 2.
Mm-hmm.
You have 5?
Yep, we have 5. Take away 2. How many do you have left?
3.
3. Okay. And then because there's nothing, oops, as I delete it all. Then because we have nothing else left, you drop the 2 down. So you have 23 on this side. Okay. So now we need to take the 23, and that is where we find 10 plus blank equals 23. 10 plus blank, what's a different way of doing that? It's a big number. Remember, we talk about fact families. What can we do from here? Nicely done, Mayrin. So if you take 23, you can take the numbers you know to find the missing number. So you know 23 minus 10 equals what? Mayrin, you're on the right track. You got it.
1, 9.
So if we take 23 minus 10, look. Oops. 10, 1, 23 minus 10. 3 minus 0 is what?
3.
Okay. 2 minus 1 is what?
It's 0.
2 minus 1.
2 minus 1 is 1.
1. Good job. Your number is going to be 13. So I would suggest, if you can, do the addition and subtraction facts like this, like in our 10s and 1s, Rochelle. I think it'll be easier for you to see. Okay. So when we have these, it makes it the bigger numbers. And I think that's what you're doing, Mayrin. It's just easier to see when you put it in the place value chart.
No, it's because I take it and add them up, and I'm like, okay, this I top from the back, and then I'm like, okay, this equals this. Okay, let me move on to the next one. Okay, so I got the number now. Now I know what it is.
Okay, so we'll do one last one today. Actually, you know what? We're going to stop there. We've done a lot today, and I know these are really big numbers. So we're going to stop there today. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
Not
And
really
we'll see
big
you in
for
here
me.
tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Friday, right? It's Friday
Mhm.
tomorrow, correct?
Okay.